Hello everyone and welcome to this new episode of Geeky Woodworking. This week we continue the work we started in the last video. This time we are working on two stands that will be used to showcase some art that has been made by the client. Now one of those stands will also be used to hide a vent, so it needs to allow some air to go through. Well, I like a challenge. Let's get to work. exploded in the middle of shooting, I had to record the end of the video with my cell phone, hence the change in quality and length of the shots. Anyway, this project was quite a challenge, but I'm glad I had a chance to do it since it was quite an undertaking. From what they told me, the client are very happy with the result. I cannot wait to show you everything else I made for them. Who knows? Soon you might be the client featured here. So to be certain not to miss the next videos, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. But in any case, I hope you had a wonderful time, and I'll see you next week.